Creating an eye zoom transition effect in CapCut PC involves combining zoom and mask effects to simulate the look of zooming into or out of an eye. Open CapCut PC and import your footage. Drag eye close-up clip to the timeline. Play it and make a freeze frame when the eyes are at zooming position. Delete the video after freeze frame. Now select the freeze frame and apply initial keyframe. For last keyframe, move the play head at the end of the video and increase scale, and adjust the position of eye on screen. The scale provides you 500% zooming. For more zoom of eye, you have to enter values manually. Now add second video on freeze frame. Then go to the mask and apply circle mask. Position the mask on the black spot of eye. Add some feather as well. Apply initial keyframe. Move the video few frames forward and increase the size of mask as it covers the black spot of eye. Repeat the process until the mask covers whole screen. Adjust the timing of the zoom and mask to sync smoothly. Use high-resolution footage for better quality. Add sound effects, whoosh or zoom sound, for impact. Experiment with color grading to blend both clips seamlessly. Preview the video and check the results. If you are satisfied, then export the clip.